Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Cloud Artifact Registry for AI builds. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. Log in with your Google account if you haven't already done so. In the left navigation pane, click on Artifact Registry under the Storage section. If you haven't created a repository yet, click on the Create Repository button. Select a repository type suitable for your use case, either Docker, Maven, or NPM. Provide a name for your new repository and configure the necessary settings. Click Create to set up the repository. Once your repository is created, go to the Settings tab within the Artifact Registry. Scroll to the Service Account section and take note of the service account email provided. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the IAM page at console.cloud.google.com/im-admin/im. Locate the service account you noted earlier or create a new one if needed. Assign the required role to the service account, typically Artifact Registry Administrator for most use cases. Save any changes made to IAM settings. Now, open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure that you have the Google Cloud SDK installed. Authenticate your local environment by running the command cloud-auth login. Select the appropriate Google Cloud project using cloud config set project, project_ID. Replace project_ID with your actual project ID. To ensure you have access to Artifact Registry, run Cloud Artifacts Repositories List. You should see the repository you created earlier. Next, configure your Docker client for Artifact Registry. Use the command cloud-auth configure docker region docker.packagedev. Replace region with the region where your repository is hosted. Confirm that your Docker client has been configured successfully. Now you can push images to your Artifact Registry repository. Use the Docker command docker tag source_image region docker.packagedev /project_ID /repository_name /image_name frowny face tag. Replace the placeholders with your actual image details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.